Hey party planners! Welcome to a world where stars shine bright, rockets soar, and birthdays go beyond the moon. If you're planning a celebration that's anything but ordinary, you're in the right galaxy. Today's video is packed with ideas to turn your space-themed party dreams into reality. From cosmic backdrops to DIY rocket centerpieces, we've got it all. Whether it's for a kid, teen, or adult who loves the stars, this guide is perfect for you. Everything here is easy, fun, and budget-friendly. No need to overthink it. We'll walk through step by step. You'll feel like NASA-level creative by the end of this video. Ready to launch? Let's count down to fun. What's the best color scheme for a space-themed party? For a truly cosmic vibe, start with a deep navy blue or black base to mimic the night sky. Layer in metallics like silver and gold to represent stars and space dust. Add rich purples, electric blues, and pops of white for planets and galaxies. Neon green or red accents also work great for alien or rocket elements. Stick to 3 to 4 main colors to keep things visually cohesive. Use starry tablecloths or galaxy print banners for added flair. Glow-in-the-dark details really elevate the effect in dim lighting. The goal is to create a dreamy outer space atmosphere that feels magical. How do I decorate the entrance? First impressions matter. Make the entrance bold and themed. Create a balloon arch using blue, purple, silver, and black balloons. Add metallic star balloons and a giant foil rocket or moon balloon. Place a sign that says something like "Welcome to Planet Name" or "Blast Off Begins Here." Use black or star print fabric to drape over the doorway or gate. Scatter glow-in-the-dark stars on the pathway, or hang planet cutouts on the fence. If indoors, set up a light projector to cast stars on the walls or ceiling. Let guests feel like they're entering a space station the moment they arrive. Liking these ideas so far? Give this video a thumbs up if you're feeling inspired. What's an easy DIY wall decor idea? Grab a black tablecloth or roll of paper as your backdrop. Use white paint and a toothbrush to flick on star-like specks. Easy galaxy effect. Cut out planet shapes from colored paper or foam sheets. Glue glitter or foil pieces for extra sparkle and depth. Hang string lights or LED strips to simulate glowing stars or galaxies. How can I decorate the ceiling? Think beyond the floor. The ceiling is your galaxy. Hang foam or paper planets using fishing line to make them float. Use glow-in-the-dark stars for a magical night sky effect. Add string lights that mimic constellations or moving comets. Paper lanterns can become moons or planets with a little paint. Use tulle or sheer fabric in blue or purple to create a nebula effect. Ceiling ideas lifting you up. Let me know your favorite. Planets, stars, or lights. Share your thoughts below. I'm always curious. What centerpieces match this theme? Use mini rockets, astronaut figurines, or space helmets filled with candy. Glow jars or LED lights inside clear containers make glowing planets. You can spray paint foam balls to look like planets and set them on stands. Stack books and top with a model rocket for a smart, spacey touch. Use metallic trays with star confetti and glowing items. How can I make the dessert table stand out? Design your table like a space station or launch pad. Use a galaxy print table cover and star scatter for a base. Place your cake in the center as the planet or moon. Add themed treats like rocket cookies and moon rock candy. Use tiered stands shaped like planets or stars if available. Include labels like Meteor Munch or Galaxy Gummies. Backdrop the table with a moon surface banner or hanging planets. Keep lighting soft and colorful to give it a cosmic glow. Loving the dessert galaxy? Let us know your dream space snack name in the comments. What's a unique party snack name? Fun names can totally elevate the theme and entertain guests. Call popcorn Meteor Munch and cookies Asteroid Bites. Fruit kebabs become rocket fuel sticks. Gummy worms, call them alien tentacles. Use blue punch and call it galaxy juice or nebula nectar. Label chocolate balls as moon rocks or comet crunch. Let your creativity run wild with labels. It's half the fun. Are there good lighting ideas for atmosphere? Lighting sets the mood, especially for a space theme. Use string lights in white or blue to mimic stars and comets. LED strips along the floor or table edges give a glowing effect. Set up a projector with star or galaxy patterns on walls or ceiling. Use glow sticks in jars for DIY space lanterns. Twinkle lights in tulle fabric give a dreamy nebula feel. Smart bulbs can change colors to match your party faces. Just dim the main lights and let your galaxy shine. And drop a comment with your lighting setup plans. Your ideas light up this community too. What activities suit a space party? Set up a Build Your Rocket station with paper and recycled materials. Kids can paint foam planets or create alien masks. Try a space training obstacle course. Jump, crawl, balance. Set up a glow-in-the-dark coloring corner or VR space games. Use trivia or a fun quiz like What Planet Are You? Keep the activities simple but exciting for all ages. What about party favors? Think light, fun, and space-related. Fill mini bags with glow sticks, planet erasers, or space tattoos. Add a small bag of Moon Rocks candy or Stardust glitter slime. Include a thank you tag like "Thanks for orbiting with us." You can give out astronaut badges, stickers, or puzzles. DIY kits like Create Your Own Alien are a hit too. Use foil bags or rocket-shaped containers for packaging. Make each favor feel like a treasure from another galaxy. Party favors sorted. Comment your top space-themed favor idea below. Give this a like if you're getting favor inspo from these tips. The final orbit is coming up. Don't drift away. How can I organize everything easily? Start by dividing the party into zones: entrance, photo wall, food, activities. Sketch or list each zone and assign a theme element. Use a checklist for decorations, supplies, and food. Set up one day early if possible to avoid stress. Keep decor items in labeled bins for fast access. Assign helpers to manage areas like food or games. Print labels and prep signs in advance to save time. Stay flexible. Space missions always need backup plans. Can I personalize the theme for the birthday child? Definitely, it adds a special touch. Rename the party like Captain Leo's Galactic Quest. Add their name to banners, table signs, and cake toppers. Create a custom mission badge or passport for guests. Have a countdown to launch with their name included. Include their favorite planets, colors, or characters. Let them choose a crew and dress up in themed shirts. Make it feel like their very own space mission. Mission complete, or almost. If this helped you plan your space adventure, give it a like. Comment your birthday star's name so we can cheer them on. Your space-themed birthday party is about to be unforgettable. With the right setup, even a backyard can feel like the Milky Way. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about creativity and fun. Whether you're decorating with foil balloons or crafting your own constellations, it all adds magic. The sky isn't the limit, it's just the beginning. Decorate with love, Plan with joy and celebrate like a star. Birthdays only come once a year. Make them shine. Use what you have, add a sprinkle of imagination, and launch your celebration. You're now officially ready for blast off. Thanks for hanging out and diving into this space adventure with me. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it. It really helps. Leave a comment sharing your favorite idea or your own twist on the theme. Got party questions? I'm always checking the comments. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next celebration idea. And if you know someone planning a party, send this video their way. Let's keep the creativity flowing and the fun never ending. Until next time, stay bright, stay creative, and keep celebrating.